Have you ever said something like, I eat yesterday or I will eat tomorrow and someone corrected you? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, in just a few minutes, you're going to master one of the most important parts of English, tenses, the secret to speaking correctly about time. Hello, students. Welcome to your English class. Today, we are going to dive into tenses, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand them in a super simple way. So, what are tenses? Tenses tell us when an action happens. There are only three main times: present, happening now; past, already happened; future, going to happen. That's it. Simple. Let's start with the present tense. This tense talks about things happening right now or regularly. Examples: I eat food. She reads books. They play cricket. Notice something? The action is happening now or is a habit. Helping verbs for present: is, am, are. Examples: I am studying. She is reading. They are playing. Now let's move to the past tense. This is for actions that already happened. Examples: I ate food. She read books. He played cricket. These actions are finished. Helping verbs for past: was, were. Examples: I was tired. They were playing. Now comes the future tense. This is for actions that will happen later. Examples: I will eat food. She will read books. He will play cricket. The main helping verb here is will. Super easy, right? Now here's a powerful trick to master tenses quickly. Create a small daily diary. Every day, write just 3 sentences: one in present, one in past, one in future. Example: I study English today. Yesterday, I watched a cartoon. Tomorrow, I will play cricket. And here's the magic part: read them aloud. This trains your brain to understand time in English naturally. So remember, present, now; past, already happened; future, will happen. Practice daily and you'll see improvement fast. See you in the next class. Keep learning and keep growing.